Hello kids, today we are going to learn about my family. Family is the people who love us and take care of us. Let's meet my family. She is my mom. She loves me, cooks yummy food and gives me warm hugs. She also sings sweet songs for me at bedtime. This is my dad. He works hard, plays with me and teaches me new things. He makes me laugh with his funny jokes. This is my brother. We play together, laugh together and sometimes fight too. He sometimes shares his snack with me. This is my sister. We draw pictures and play dress up. She loves to tell me silly stories. This is my grandma. She tells me lovely bedtime stories. She bakes the yummiest cookies for me. This is my grandpa. He makes me laugh and plays games with me. He takes me for long walks in the park, and this is our dog. He loves to run and wag his tail. He also likes to cuddle with me when I watch TV. I have a family, yes I do. They love me and I love them too. Here is my mom, she hugs me tight. Here is my dad, he says good night. Here is my brother, we run and play. Here is my sister, we laugh all day. Here is my grandma, she tells a tale. Here is my grandpa, he makes me sad. Here is my dog who goes woof woof. I love my family, how about you? My family loves me, I love them too. We play, eat and laugh together every day. Being with my family makes me feel happy and safe. If you like learning about my family, tap subscribe so you don't miss our next fun video. See you next time kids.